Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with essentials. Ensure the Micromax Keypad phone has charge and a SIM so the radios can re-enable. Once ready, press the center key to open menu, then navigate to settings using the directional keys. Make sure you enter the correct settings entry labeled connectivity or network, some models listed under phone settings. You're aiming for the section that controls radios. Once there, pause and confirm you see an option named Flight Mode, Airplane Mode, or similar before moving to the next step. You now find the Flight Mode toggle inside Connectivity. Use the down directional key to highlight Flight Mode, then press the center or select key to open it. Once opened, you'll see On and Off or Enabled and Disabled. Use the left/right keys or the designated soft key to switch to off. Make sure you wait for the menu to acknowledge the change. Some phones briefly show a confirmation. If the toggle snaps back, retrace to ensure no other profile or power-saving mode is forcing flight mode. You finish by exiting to the home screen and watching for signal bars or network name to reappear. This proves radios are active again. If the phone does not reconnect within about 30 seconds, restart it to reinitialize network services. Make sure airplane mode is set to off and not overridden by any profile. Troubleshooting tip: if networks still fail, toggle flight mode on then off once more, power cycle the phone, and reseat the SIM. This resolves most connectivity hangups on Micromax.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.